Okay, so we put the spatial query in here and we simply now need to search. Now what that'll do will bring back all the bees, species that we know and have recorded from around the Brisbane area. As you can see, it's brought back 149 species. Now we could change that and make it the query more accurate for us. So let's go back and remove the spatial query. And the first thing we're going to do is to go back up to the classification and go down here to Hymenoptera, into Apidae, and into the Zolicopidae. So we're down to 110 species. This is called faceted searching, where every term and every facet within the query boxes across the whole lot are all related. So we're down to 110 species. Now, of those 110 species, we can now make a spatial search for just the ones that occur around the Brisbane region. Okay? So we'll go back up to our box here. We'll put that back around. And remember, you can change the box to whatever size you like and that. So there's the Brisbane area there. Let's make that query. So what we're doing now, instead of querying for every species of bee that we know there, we're just querying on the Zolicopidae. So if we do a search for that now, instead of getting back 149 species, we're just going to get back 18. So there's 18 species of Zolicopidae in that area there. We can now go back up to here. And look at here, there's 3 Zolicopidae species, so we simply click on those and give it a moment. And there they are, the 3 species that are known to occur around the Brisbane region. Now once you have your 3 species here, you can move them into what I call a shopping basket. This is where you can then look at the comparative image table. So you can either individually select a species and pop it over. I'll just put that back on the other side there, or you can go to select to compare all, and it will put all 3 across there into your shopping basket. You can clear them down there. Now if you click here, like in the old PaDIL, it will look and see what images are common between the 3 species you've done. Here we are here. That's the list there. You can lead them on while they're clicked there, or you might, if you click something like that in there, you'll get rid of the female forewing image. And so let's just grab those, and when you say continue, it will now create a comparative image table for you based on those 3 species and using those characters. And there we are. It's popping them out there now. I can go down to here. Whoops. So see, you put your mouse on any of them and it will be able to open them up large on that. You can go to here if you've got a bigger screen, although you can't see it. That will now give you all of the types of images that are available for those species. If I had, and I don't have at the moment, characters, you can drop down a box here and it will give you additional characters. And I'll give you an example of that in a moment. But as I said, that's the kind of way that we're now structuring how you use PaDIL. Oh, I'm sorry, I did want to show you while I'm here about your dashboard. Okay, so let's say, for example, you're happy that you'd like to be able to keep this comparative image table for future reference them. So you can go across here, and because you're a registered user, you can go Save As. So you can press Save As, and you can put it into here and call it Brisbane Zolicopa. Okay, now when you say save, that's now actually saved that comparative image table of 3 species with 11 characters. You can go to your dashboard now, and there it is. At any time, and you can have as many as you like, at any time you simply have to now click on that. You can come back in a week's time, a month's time, a year's time, click on that, and it will save you doing the query of the spatial query, of the name and the comparison. Just click that and it will take you straight back to it. So that's where your dashboard will come in nice for you.